How to enable easy mode on WeChat in 2025. First of all, open the WeChat app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now head to Me section by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings, usually at the top right corner of your profile. In the setting menu, select Easy Mode and you will see a box. Check in the box, tap on Enable. Once you enable Easy Mode, WeChat will adjust its interface, simplifying the layout and making the font size larger. This mode is ideal for users who prefer a minimalistic interface or have difficulty navigating the default version. After enabling Easy Mode, exit the settings. You will now experience a more streamlined WeChat interface. If you ever want to go back to the default mode, just follow the same step and toggle Easy Mode off. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future tech tips. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.